Good morning, Pitmasters. Welcome to another episode of Roll. Eva. Each morning, our barbecue dog starts off with a little bit of dog candy. Well, actually it's cat food, but she likes it so much, so every morning she gets one of these really small cans of cat food. It's like a little treat to start the day. First visitor of the day getting checked by the dog. That's Guard Dog live, checking every visitor that comes to the barn, making sure that they're okay. Goedemorgen.
Morgen.
Alles goed, jongen?
Ja, prima.
I think, Emil, you're approved.
Yeah, thank you.
It's very important that she checks everybody that comes in. At least to her it is, but to me it's also. And she has a database in her head that says, hey, this person been here before, is this person all right? But she really thinks about these things herself. She really is, I don't know, it's like a robot. Yeah. See, gotta check. Check, check. Check everything. Morning.
Morning. Don't buy this one. I tried a new smoothie. Don't try this one.
It looks healthy.
Yeah, it's like the McDonald's version of the
McDonald's. Where did you buy it?
Plus.
The Plus. Morrison, what do you think about how...
Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
It's nice, right?
That's a lot. Yeah, I love it. That's what we needed all that time.
Yeah, I ordered more plants.
Yeah.
More plants are coming.
And they're all real, right?
And they're all real. Morrison gives them water every day and they're all real. Real, unburnable plastic plants. Morrison,
Yeah.
you're gonna set everything up?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get the meat. There we go. This is actually how we get our briskets. 1, 2 briskets, defrosted overnight. That way it doesn't take so long to cook for our videos because we can't spend all the time, you know, with these briskets. I know we're gonna be here all day, but this is pretty good. Pretty good. What do you think? Getting hungry already? Smells good? Oh yes, she wants some. If she gives me the paw, most of the time she wants something. It's the sign. Give me some. Give me some, boss. Give me some of that. I need that. Dr. Barbecue, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
See you again.
Bye.
And now we're going to show you. Now I'm going to show you how the dog reacts when somebody leaves. It's like she will meticulously follow the person that's leaving, escort them to the car, attack the car when the car is driving away until they come to the fence, and then she will leave them alone. Make sure he leaves, goes into the car, yes, he leaves, yes, 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 and attack the tires. Come here. See, I try stopping her, but it's like, if she's not on leash, it's hard to stop her. Hey! You proud of yourself? Silly dog. You proud of yourself? Hey, Eva. Are you proud of yourself? You're not supposed to be attacking the cars. Don't give me attitude, lady. Attacking cars, not okay. So I still need to train that out of her when they leave. But I got her to the point where I trained her enough that she will not attack people that come, unless she doesn't know them, of course, or it's in the middle of the night. Yeah, to everybody that wants to come here in the middle of the night, I strongly recommend not coming. You just saw, for fun, I call him Dr. Barbecue because he helps me fix things that I cannot fix myself. It sounds weird, but yeah, he touches the grill and it like instantly starts working again. I don't know how that works, but it's like magic. That's what it is. This is the part that Morrison loves. I want to do it for you.
Yeah.
For you, yeah? You want me to do it?
Because I hate it. I can do the last one and then you do the next one.
I've washed a window washer. Oh, dude, get off the stairs.
No.
No, dude, seriously. No.
It's safe.
No, it's not safe.
It's safe.
No.
It can't go wrong.
Morrison, no. Morrison and I just set up the backdrop. Everything, the lights are installed, ready to go. So we're about to start smoking these briskets. And what is the dog doing in the meantime? What does a barbecue dog when we build up? She's here, watching over the fields, see if somebody's doing something. And like over there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a farmer there with his tractor. And he's doing some work and a digger there, and she's just keeping her eye on it, making sure they don't do anything strange or weird. Otherwise, I know she's going to like signal me or like bark or do something. But she's just making sure everybody's in check. And in the meantime, she's also checking on me. See, she's looking at me all the time. And there you go. She hasn't seen it yet, but somebody's coming. Oh, boom, there you go. It's like instant. She couldn't even see it, but she knows like a radar. It's like the dog has a built-in radar. She listens to the sound of the engine. She knows what car it is. And she just stays there, waiting for him. She doesn't go all the way up to meet him because she knows, well, this guy, I know him. He's okay. So I know I don't have to go out there. Otherwise she start barking, so I don't have to do anything yet. So I can continue with prepping because we need a barbecue to barbecue. This side or that side? I can't remember. Oh, we did put it here because of the key light.
Yeah. So Rule is trimming right now.
Swimming.
That's a lot of work.
It is.
That's the real work.
That's the real work.
And then, well, as soon as I picked up the camera,
the dog goes on.
And she was just waiting for it. That's what she does. She's just standing there, waiting for a brisket. But on the other hand, you don't do anything to stop this.
Dude,
right?
I have plenty.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I'm so
but
happy.
It's not like it completely comes natural. Eva. Eva. She doesn't react anymore. She likes Black Angus. She's hypnotized by Black Angus.
We just finished the first part of the recording of our brisket video, and the briskets are now in here. Look at that. Oh, they're cooking. And you know what dogs do when the food is cooking and they don't have to actually eat anything? They rest. And where do you sleep? You sleep at the place where you can check if anybody's coming and at the place where you can see what's happening on the barbecue. See? But always sleep with one eye open. You can go back to sleep. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We're making poutine here. Poutine? Marson, poutine or poutine? That's what we're making here. Well, to make that, we have some rendered down fat. Basically, we are not going to eat it, but I know one person that absolutely loves it, and that's our barbecue dog. There you go, brisket fat. We just finished the first recording, and we're now doing the taste test version. If you don't know what that is, just check the main channel. But we're now at the phase where we test the food, and normally the dog would just come running in, but it's nowhere to be found. It's absolutely nowhere to be found. So this is our lucky day. We get to eat it our own, and no dog interference. So we're gonna be like a little stealth mode here. Wow. Diamond steak. Oh yeah. With poutine sauce. All right. Like a little bit of poutine. And that's how we finish every video.
You got a little bit of Putin on your nose.
No, don't smell the camera. This is the life of a barbecue dog. You get to go crazy. I'm gonna give her a little bit of Wagyu. This is Wagyu diamond steak, guys. And this dog is eating it like there's no tomorrow. Happy dog. I'm a happy, happy, happy dog. With the first video done and the putin all in the body of our beautiful dog. And she's happy, but she's also energized and she's ready to go for anything that's nearing. She's on super guard because it's like the sun's setting, it's getting later and later. Of course she's coming in for the massage right now, but she's on high alert in the evening. I think we got another couple hours on the briskets, so yeah, we're just gonna chill. We're making the epic B-roll shots of the just open sliced brisket. And 1 meter behind the table, behind Morrison, cameraman, is the barbecue dog. Waiting patiently for us to finish the shot so she can take a piece.
How's it even called?
Spray.
Superb sprayed.
Extreme, delicious, juicy, sprayed super brisket.
Super brisket.
You know what's even weirder? I think we knocked the dog out. This is where the part where she's supposed to get up and jump all over us. Eva, come! You don't want brisket? What's wrong with you? You gave it too much pudding steak. The diamond pudding steak. We fed her the diamond pudding steak. You killed the dog, Marcia.
I did nothing.
Make a sticky place. Maybe if I walk away, she'll eat it. All right, we're gonna finish off the video, but first I want to thank you guys for watching.
Hope to see you guys. I don't know how
No,
to do that.
yeah, that's not in the vlog. We don't have an ending yet.
Just can I say whatever I want?
You can say whatever you want.
Save the turtles.
Dude. All right, thank you for your input, Morrison. Eva, you want to say something to the audience? Everybody tuned in to watch you. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye, guys. See you guys next week. Cheers.